What's good, my people? I'm back again with another video. Just before I get into this one, as always, I'd like to request every single person watching to please like, comment, share, subscribe, all that good stuff. Let's get the subs up, likes up, comments up, all that good stuff. Let me get straight into it without waffling. So we've got a PSG Jordan tracksuit. Start off with the joggers. So we'll start off at the back actually. So it's got this PSG Jordan type of patch thing on the back. It's like I don't know if it's glued on. It's stitched in actually, but you can't really tell unless you actually proper look into the black bit. Then you can tell it's stitched. And then it's got this hashtag 002345 _ air type thing as well. That's like a sticker standard fit. And then once we go to the actual inside, for once Nike have actually got zip pockets, but these are made quite strange, oddly, to be honest. They do have the Jordan Jumpman on the zip. Very weirdly made these, to be honest, because you know, it's just quite odd. It's not really hidden zip, it's more of exposed zip, and then it's got this like ribbon crap. Oh, I shouldn't say crap, but this ribbon stuff. Yep, so Jordan zip, grey zip, with the black actual zip, whatever you want to call it. We've got the drawstrings in black. Then we've got, it's all plain on this leg, but then this leg, it has like a not embroidery, sticker, like a design that says Paris, and then it's got a Jumpman logo. I really shouldn't knock over the tripod. So it says Paris, got a Jumpman logo and a little weird thing. It looks like kind of a fake Nike swoosh. It's got some information there. And then on the rest of the back, it's all plain, cuffed at the bottom. It is a very thin type tracksuit, so like a summer tracksuit, to be honest. Then we've got the hoodie to it. So it's got that same patch that's on the joggers on the chest, exactly the same. On the back, it actually has a massive sticker, so the same as on the joggers, but it's on the back. Let's show that properly. Massive Paris, and then that same thing. Then on the back, it has a zip, same zip that's on the joggers, same weird zip. It's actually on the back, so that's quite awkward, if I'm honest. I don't think that's usable. They should have just put it on the front, like kangaroo pockets. One thing I don't like is no pockets on the front. It does also have this embroidery thing, or like this stitch, funny stitch going across. If you can see, that's kind of similar to the way they've done it on the back, like this little pattern. It's quite weird what's going on here, but you know, I do like it. But it is a thin tracksuit, not thick at all, to be honest. Very thin. I'd say for like summer nights, etc. Not really for winter weather. You might have to layer up if you were to wear this one in the winter. Overall, I do like it. It's quite different. If it wasn't on sale, I would not have spent retail on it. That's just, you know, something I wouldn't have done on this. So definitely bought it because it's on sale. Very nice summer evenings tracksuit, like with some white forces, just a casual one. And yeah, I don't really have too much more to say, apart from make sure you like, comment, share, subscribe. Let me know what you think of all the content, and take care, my people.